Hi friends, welcome back. I can't believe we're already on lesson plan 3. I've had so much fun learning with you guys, and to wrap up this unit plan, we're going to do something called My Shark Report. So let's get started. I need you guys to get something that you can color with. It could be markers, crayons, or colored pencils. Then I need you to get a pencil or a pen and paper. It could be notebook paper, loose leaf paper, or colored paper. Ready, set, go. So let's get started. So the first thing I need you guys to do is write on your paper my shark's name. Make sure we're spelling everything right because I have it right on the slide for you guys. So let's talk about what that means. My shark's name. So my shark's name is Grayskin. If you notice, that is not an everyday name that we see. Like Lily, Lainey, Jared. My shark's name is something that I think a future shark could actually be named. So I want you guys to think about it and write your name down on the paper. My shark is. Again, you should have this written down. My shark is. How old is your shark? My shark is 14 years old. How old is yours? My shark eats. You should have this written down on your paper. My shark eats lots of little fish, starfish, and crab. What does your shark eat? My shark is big or small. Remember to be writing all this down on your paper. My shark is small. Is your shark big or small? My shark lives in the ocean. But where at in the ocean? In the deep, deep ocean, at the top. Where? While Grayskin lives at the shallow part of the ocean and the shallow part in the water. Where does your shark live? My shark can. My shark can swim as fast as a cheetah. Remember, this is fun. This is creativity. So you can make up anything about your shark, but when you're making that up, it could be a little like creative and a little make-believe, but it still should be true about the things that we've learned about sharks in the past 2 lessons. Fun facts about my shark. My shark is gray with spots. My shark is a girl. My shark only has one eye because they got in a fight with another shark. My shark is really fast, and my shark has no bones. Make sure you're writing some fun facts about your shark. Now I want you guys to draw your shark on your paper. So you probably want to start a new paper. You're going to draw your shark. I didn't draw mine yet, but if I were to draw mine, it would be a shark. It would be gray and have white spots, and then you would see that my shark only has one eye. So for example, if someone's doing a blue shark, you should have a picture of a shark, and it should be blue. And if you say your shark has big ears, then you should have big ears on your shark. So you can get creative, but make sure it's still kind of realistic. With that being said, I had a really fun time learning with you guys these past couple weeks, and I'm so proud of how far all of you've become. And I can't wait to see you again next time. Bye.